Okay, so hello guys. So here I'm just gonna draw the dendrites here where we get the message through. Message passes through here. And draw it like this. Oh, that's a bad one. Okay, so these are called dendrites, and they pick up the message into what is forming on the outside there, which is called the cell body. A message passes through the cell body. Okay, that's enough dendrites. Okay, so the message passes through this figure here, which is called the cell body, and then through here, this is called the axon, which sends the message away. And right here on the outside of it, these are called myelin sheath. And what happens is the message is passed through the myelin sheath, which cover the axon on the inside there. So these cover the axon. And what happens is the myelin sheath open and close, allowing the message to be passed on through here, through the myelin sheath. Oh, and right here is called, right there, is called the axon hillock, which is basically the last spot between the axon and myelin sheath and the cell body. So it's kind of the final terminal before entering the axon, which sends it away. And in between each myelin sheath is a little spot. Let me see if I could change colors here. Which is a little spot right in there, right in between there, which is called the nodes of Ranvier, which inside it has a synaptic gap, which travels. So the message travels along the axon through the nodes of Ranvier, which are the actual edges. The edges of the myelin sheath. So in our next slide, we'll investigate the nodes of Ranvier, because you kind of need to zoom in there to see the true what it really looks like. Okay, so now we're back, and here I'm going to draw. So what I'm drawing right now is called the oh wait, I'm not drawing anything. What I'm drawing right now is called the synaptic knob. So it looks like this. And what I'm drawing inside are called synaptic vesicles. So right here, they carry the message from the axon from the previous slide. Okay, so these are synaptic vesicles. And then so what I want to draw now, this is a up close of the previous slide. This is called the soma of a neuron, or a terminal bud. So these things get sorry, I should use terminology. Synaptic vesicles get passed on through here, through the synaptic gap. Synaptic. It's kind of crappy writing. Okay, so these get passed through the synaptic gap, and into the terminal bud, which sends the message away, along through the axon. So this is just an up close of that, and then in here are the larger things. Mitochondria is what they're called. There's a couple of these in here. Okay.